Alright YouTubes, how are we all doing? I hope you're all well. In today's video, it's just going to be a painting video on this. I was going to do the repair and everything, but just got pushed for time and didn't get the camera set up. But I'll show you what it is. So it's a little Toyota Yaris, hybrid one. And we had a repair to do on this wing, just here, and it was sort of creased in a little bit here. Ended up being quite a tricky little repair. It didn't look a lot of damage, but yeah, it's so flimsy, the wing. Just kept popping in and out. I had to heat shrink it and all sorts, so it was a little bit of a pain. It took me a lot longer than what I thought. I should have just put a wing on it, I think, but initially when we looked at it, it didn't look very bad. So yeah, so repair on this wing, done a light grey primer on there. So paint that wing and blend. The colour code 040 Super White 3, I think this colour's called. Multiple shades on the system. I used a Spectro on it. It picked out a fairly close shade that was on the system, but still wasn't great. Recalculated it, improved it a little bit, but it's not brilliant. So hence why I'm going to be blending that door. The bumpers are a little bit out, so we have got a bit of edge-to-edge work to do on the bumper. So yeah, we've got the rear bumper to do as well. Crease through here and a little split in the bottom where the diffuser trim attaches. So we just staple that back on. That'd be fine. And a bit of filler work we had to do there. A couple of little marks in the centre. So when I start painting, I will try to blend on this area if I can, but if I see any little marks, I might have to just put colour over it. So I'm going to be doing this job in Mipa Waterbase, Basecoat, and I'm going to be using the new clear coat on this, which is Mipa CX2. I've done one job with it so far, and yeah, I really like it. It's classed as a fast dry technology range. It's a little bit cheaper than CX4, but yeah, first impressions, I really liked it. So yeah, we'll see what it comes out like on this job. So that being said, I'll get all the paint mixed up, get it all degreased and blown down, and we'll get painting. Toyota Yaris is all ready to clear coat now. So clear coat I'll be using is a new clear coat from Mipa. It's called Mipa CX2 and it's a fast dry technology clear. Got a HS10 hardener in it, which is a fast one. They reckon 15-minute bake at 60, once up to temperature, 15 minutes. Once it's cooled down, it's ready to polish. I've done one job of it so far and I was really impressed with it. It went on really nice. So yeah, the gun I'll be putting it on with is Satajet 1.3cc. then YouTubes, that's the Toyota Yaris all finished, so I'll give you a quick look around it. I think come out okay. So yeah, I had a little bit of trouble with the wing. It's sort of a funny little kink sort of dent across here, but it sort of stretched on me and started popping in and out. So yeah, it ended up being a bit harder than what I anticipated, and then this was sort of in a little bit around here, but yeah, all the colours gone in okay, and it's all blended okay. Not a lot you can see on white really outside, but we give it a little polish. And back bumper as well, repair down there, all come out well, and all the trim fixed in. So yeah, I used the new Mipa CX2 clear coat on this, and yeah, so that's 2 jobs I've done with it now, and yeah, I really like it. It's pretty similar to the Mipa CX4 to be honest with you. There's not a lot in it. I'd probably say the CX4 may have a little bit sort of better gloss, but the drying time was, yes, it was great. 15-minute bake, and we let it cool down, and it was good enough to handle and to fit up. So yeah, it was really quick drying, and you can sort of manipulate it a little bit. You can put the medium hardener in it or the slow hardener in it, and give you a bit of a better polishing window. That is the thing with some of these fast drying clear coats, well, the Mipa ones anyway, the CX4 and this new CX2, is you do have a short polishing window on them. So if you've left it for a few days, it can be a bit of a struggle to flat, so to denib and to polish the nibbing scratches out. They do go quite hard, but if you catch them quick, you know, not long after they've cooled and baked, they polish up really easy. Then that's sort of the idea with them. But I'd probably say the Mipa CX2 is really more suited. The CX4's got a bit of a better gloss, I'd say, but it is minimal. But the CX2, it really is suited for like just your average, you know, average cars. You know, your average makes, you know, like this Toyota and stuff like that. The finish you can sort of achieve with it is like factory orange peel. You know, it's not the greatest of finishes on most production cars, so it really suits your average production car finish. It looks really good to that, which is a good thing, because you don't want it to look too good, because you know, the main objective when you try to paint, you know, when you paint a car, is to match the OE finishes and make it look like it hasn't been painted. So when you've got a bit of a better finish on there, or bit of a better gloss on some of these cars, it can stand out, even though it's a better job. Sometimes you don't want that, you just want to try and replicate the OE finishes. So yeah, the CX2 is really good for that. I think it is for your ordinary average cars, you know. That's what that suits. So they've all got a different purpose. You know, some cars have got better finishes, and sometimes you need a better finish. So, but yeah, overall impressions with it, it's a bit cheaper. It's a bit of a cheaper clear, and yeah, it's really easy to use and dries really well. So yeah, I'm pleased with it. So yeah, that being said, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again in the next one. Cheers.